What's up guys, Jason here, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to inflate and tie a foil balloon. I'll be using an anagram 19-inch heart-shaped foil balloon. So first off, you're going to get yourself a piece of ribbon and your foil balloon. And for foil balloons, I'll recommend using a trigger outlet, which is like this. Trigger outlet. So first off, we're going to turn on the tank. Yep, that's what we're going to turn on the tank. Then we're going to start inflating. Make sure to insert it all the way in as far as it can go. For trigger outlet to go. And what I recommend you is to hold it tightly right here and face it downwards while you inflate, because there's a valve inside here which allows helium to go in. And once it goes up, it should be fine. So for a foil balloon, you should not overinflate it. Once it's like solid in the middle, you should stop inflating. Right about here. Then we're going to turn off the tank. Make sure to turn off the tank while you're not using it. Alright, take it off. Foil balloons are self-sealing, so as you can see. Alright, make sure when you inflate a foil balloon, make sure it's not overinflated. Make sure there's still some bounce to it. Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys how to tie it. So you grab your ribbon. What I like to do is I'll make a cinch knot. A cinch knot which is something like this, alright? You're gonna take your ribbon like so and pull both of the ribbon. You're gonna put two fingers through and you're gonna do like this, and you're gonna make a loop. That way when you pull on the ribbon, it will tie itself. So you have your cinch knot. What I normally like to do is I'll tie the balloon in between, somewhere in between the valve and the end of the balloon. Make sure not to tie it on the sealed valve, as that will make it to leak, make the balloon leak. So once you got it inside here, you're just gonna pull it tight. As you can see, it's secured. What I like to do is do another knot. Right. Then you can curl your ribbon. So the reason why I like to do the cinch knot is because if you're using the balloon for display, you can actually put back your trigger valve into the nozzle, which is right here. Once it deflates, you can put it back in here and top it up with helium if you're doing this for display. So yep, and you're done. So this is how you inflate and tie an anagram foil balloon. So if you find this video useful, please like and share, and I'll see you guys